At the Healing Circle Foundation, we believe healing the community starts with the people who serves it. Our He Yi Dao wellness sessions are accessible and trauma-sensitive, designed for all physical abilities, whether seated or standing. Through energy and breathwork, participants learn simple tools to reduce anxiety, calm the nervous system, and restore emotional clarity. Tools they can use anytime, anywhere. These practices nurture resilience during job searches, reentry, recovery, or the everyday demands of leadership and service. Our sessions also foster connection, confidence, and joy, empowering staff to reconnect with their own self-worth and purpose. With the support of esteemed donors, sponsorship, and volunteers, the Healing Circle Foundation is honored to bring harmony, resilience, and vitality to those who uplift society every day. Together, let's nurture the hearts behind the mission.